whole crowd is dark. And everybody just got their phone lights. What's your name? True, what's your last name? Huh? Cook. So imagine you running out. Monday Night Football. You the last one to go in the whole stadium. They're like, Trish. And they just call your name on the loud intercom. Best friend ever. You'll get there. I know you will.
My name is Lyles. I'm from Oklahoma. 2 questions.
Well, we only can get one.
You only got one, bro. Ask the
Who's
best one.
faster, you or Usain Bolt?
That's a good question.
I'm going to say this. Usain Bolt is washed up right now. So I have that advantage. Right?
You still got that speed.
But what's faster, you or McLaren?
Right? I'm me.
What about him and his bro?
Who's faster, you or McLaren?
That's funny that you probably can't.
That'd be fun.
You probably beat him in a shorter run, but then in a long run you can't beat him.
You don't think so?
Yeah, you can beat him in a short run.
Wait, which one's faster, you or McLaren?
All right.
He jumped over.
What's your name? Next question.
My name is Weston. Live in Lido.
Pressure's on.
Question one time.
You want us to come back to you?